Hi everyone, welcome to the Grilling Show. My name is Liz Burrell, and today we are going to be making a stir fry in our wok that we're going to serve in grilled pineapple boats. Doesn't that sound exciting? I think so, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So our recipe today, obviously we're going to be using the wok. We've got a pound of shrimp, some bell peppers, teriyaki sauce, some pineapple chunks, and some juice from the pineapple that we scooped out. You can see that it's empty on the inside. Scallions, lime juice, and some Vidalia onion sriracha barbecue sauce by Big Green Egg. So let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be cooking with our egg open, so you want to make sure that the regulator top and the draft door are closed. So we are going to start by putting some canola oil in our wok, about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to add some bell peppers. I've got multiple different colors here because I wanted it to be pretty. Add about 1 bell pepper to it. We're going to give it a stir. Cook that for just a minute. Now I'm going to season our shrimp with just a little bit of salt here. So we've got a lot of other sauces and stuff going on in this recipe, so we don't really need that much. All right, so I'm going to start adding our shrimp. I'm not dumping it into the wok because there's lots of shrimp juice at the bottom of this bowl, and I do not want that in the wok. Add way too much liquid, and we're looking to have a good coat on these shrimp. Now these are deveined and do not have shells or tails on them. I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes. So we're going to start with our 1/4 cup of teriyaki sauce. A little bit of lime juice, and our Vidalia onion sriracha, and some of our pineapple. Now make sure that you're wearing your heat mitts, your egg mitts with this, because this does get very hot. All right, and we are done. That's very, very, very quick recipe. So I'm going to pull the wok off of the egg so that we can get our shrimp out. All right, so it's time to build our pineapple boats. I'm going to plate it on this beautiful wood round here, and just for a little something extra, I've grilled our pineapple boats, and I did that prior to putting the wok in the egg. All right, and I've got some rice here. I'm going to fill our pineapple boats with rice in the middle and our shrimp stir fry on each side. Now that we've got our pineapples filled, I'm going to take some of the sauce at the bottom of our wok that's left over and spoon it over our stir fry. Got our scallions here. Now I'm just going to put these on the stir fry. You can put them on top of the rice if you want, but I want the color contrast. And here you have it, my beautiful shrimp stir fry in grilled pineapple boats on the Big Green Egg. This looks delicious, and it kind of makes me want to be on vacation right now, but I'd rather be cooking for you guys here today. So thank you once again for joining me on this episode of The Grilling Show.